So I'm doing a repair on this shower valve, replacing this valve with this new one here. The tight cramp balls it right now too, so let's get it. So I just gotta cut out this old crap here, copper pipe here. See, I got these here unscrewed, but I'm gonna cut these out here, and then I'm gonna attach some PEX pipe up to it. I got these adapters here to stop these from moving, because once you get a shark bite or something on here, these lines will continue to move. So what I got was female adapter for this PEX pipe, and what I'm gonna do is solder this end on. So this end is gonna go here like so, then the PEX pipe can go on there. Then I'm gonna have another adapter, just like this one here, that's gonna sit on the shower valve, and then I'm gonna put the PEX pipe right there. And the good thing about the PEX pipes, once you crimp them down, they don't move like the shark bites do. And then throw in our new shower valve. Let me show you what it turned off before you do this. So I got both of those shut-off valves turned on. So I'm gonna do this one here and then this one. Got those sweat ends on. Got a female, male going in there. These here where I'm gonna sweat these on with the solder. I'm gonna have to get that off of there. Got them soldered up. Gotta make sure they ain't leak. That boy got a little ugly booger on it. These two I'm a little iffy about because there was water in there, but I used the H2O. And so they usually solder a little better if there's water in the line. We're gonna hook them up, see what they looking like. tape on there. Make sure this boy ain't that hot. I wanted to match up that place. Cut this a little bit. There we go. Turn on some water. I'm gonna go make sure these handles tight over there. Need to redo some caulk in there. There we go, new tub spout and 3 handle.